Scott, are you ready? George Moore, are you ready? All right, 3, 2, 1.
In February of 2022, titans from the HVAC industry met in Miami for Centrotherm South Beach Season 1. Legends battled, legacies were etched, but two giants of the industry outlasted the competition. In the end, two behemoths, Aaron Bond and George the Plumber, stood toe-to-toe at the final game. Who won? It depends who you ask. But the rematch of the century is on. South Beach Season 2 commences in just a few short weeks, where George and Aaron will face off against dozens of the best installers and technicians in the industry. Who will emerge victorious? Centrotherm South Beach Season 2, February 6th to the 7th.